Hello friends and welcome back. My name is Andrea and this is Dessert First. So today I'm going to show you how to make a potato salad. Now there's so many different varieties of potato salad where you have a mustard potato salad or more of a mayonnaise based potato salad, and they're all good in their own right. But my husband is not a big fan of traditional potato salad, so I actually came up with this potato salad that's a little more on the mustard side but adds some other ingredients to it, so a little different. So if you're not in for that traditional, stay tuned. You just may love this potato salad. So let's get started on our potato salad. So I know every barbecue during the summer is usually got baked beans, potato salad, coleslaw, some sort of barbecued meat, whether it's chicken, beef, pork, burgers, dogs, you name it, it runs the gamut. So this is my spicy potato salad. As my husband doesn't typically like traditional potato salad, so we tried to come up with something that he would like, and he loves spicy, hot, lots of hot peppers. He grows lots of hot peppers in the garden every summer, so this is really tailored for his taste. So if you've got somebody in your sphere that likes spicy and hot, then they may like this potato salad. So the first thing I did was I baked off 4 russet potatoes, and these were big potatoes. So this is just one out of the package. So they were all about this size, maybe slightly bigger. So I baked those off. I baked them off in my toaster oven for an hour, and then I let them cool on the counter. And then once they were cooled, I just popped them in the fridge overnight. But you want to make sure that the potatoes are actually all the way done. So after an hour, just put a fork in it. If the fork goes in really easy, then they're done. If there's some resistance, then you may need to let them go a little longer. So, and I always flip mine about halfway through, just rotate them over. So anyway, so I've got 4 of those. I have already peeled them and diced them up. So we're just going to set this aside, and we're going to make the sauce. So really simple. So I've got 2 cups of mayonnaise, and use real mayonnaise, don't use salad dressing. It will just give you a different taste. So just use whatever mayonnaise that you like. I like Duke's because it has the fewest amount of ingredients in it for just a store-bought mayonnaise, but you may not have that in your area, or you just may not like that brand. So use whatever mayonnaise you like. So 2 cups. And then I've also got 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. And then we'll just give this a little bit of a mix here. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of granulated onion powder, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic powder, and I'm going to go with I'm just going to go with about 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, and this is a really fine ground white pepper. And then we're going to add a couple of teaspoons, probably 3, of salt. And you may be thinking, why that much salt? Well, the potatoes are going to need quite a bit of salt. So we're going to give that a good mix. Now, make sure when you're mixing this up, you mix the sauce up separate. If you try to add all of these individual ingredients to your potatoes, then it's going to be really hard to get it to mix, and you're going to run the risk of really busting up your potatoes. So this way you can get everything mixed in so you don't have bites that are like really strong garlic or maybe pepper or salt or whatever. So, all right, now for the hot and spicy ingredient. We are using the hot Chicago style jardiniere. So it's got jalapenos in it, onions, carrots. I think there's probably some cauliflower in there too, but it's just really fine. The trick to this though is it's very, very oily, and you don't want all that oil in your potato salad or it's just going to be really greasy. So about 20-30 minutes ago, I added 1 cup of that jardiniere to a strainer over a bowl, and you can see how much oil actually came out of just that 1 cup. So now we're just going to take that 1 cup of strained jardiniere and dump that in. And mix that in. All right, now we're ready to mix this with our potatoes. And I'm going to need a large bowl for this. So we're going to dump potatoes in. And then pour our sauce over it. All right. Now, one thing I would suggest, I mean, obviously you want to cook your potatoes off and cool them all the way down. But I would also suggest trying to make this the day before you want to serve it, or at least several hours before. So you might have to cook your potatoes off, then the next day put it together. That way you have it ready to serve the following day. You just need the potatoes to be able to absorb all the flavors. It just needs to marry. So right now it's not going to taste like much. It's just going to taste like potatoes. You know, nothing's really settled in and blended together. So that's all there is to it. So just a really simple and easy potato salad, a little different maybe from your average normal potato salad, but maybe good for those that like a little bit of hot and spicy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos. Like it, share it, leave me a comment if you have questions, and we'll see you next time.